Hello, in front of me I've got SKULLCANDY Smokin Buds. In this video I'll show you gestures. Firstly, let's take them out of the charging case. Tap 1 and hold for 1 second on either earbud to turn them on or off. Now, to enter pairing mode, press and hold for 3 seconds on each earbud. Now, to change equalizer mode, tap 4 times on either earbud. To play and pause, tap 1 on either earbud. To volume up, tap twice on either earbud. To volume down, tap 3 times on either earbud. To reset paired device list, press and hold for 6 seconds. And to resynchronize earbuds, tap 6 times on either earbud. And that's basically it for gestures that are available for those earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.